Hi, welcome to Remarket tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about 8th lesson, sell your photos or artwork. Yes, what is that? If you have photos or images or illustration or videos or any footage or artwork, anything else you can sell here and earn money. Yes, if you love photography and a good photographer, then you can sell your exclusive photos online. Yes, Shutterstock is one of best image selling pages. Yes, here you can sell images, footage and illustration. Submit.shutterstock.com. Yes, let's watch the video how to sell it. Okay, let's go there. Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Yes, is selling photos or sell videos, anything else you can sell here. Welcome to Shutterstock. Yes, this is the home page of the Shutterstock. Yeah, stock assets to power creativity, export over 300 million royalty free images, stock footage, clips and music tracks. Yes, you can search here and you can sell a lot of things here. Shutterstock, one of the best and trusted sites online. Yes, you can search and sell a lot of them. Before that, you have to sign up and login. Yes, let's do. Yes, if you want to search images or anything else, you can search here. I won't blocking images, that's why I have typed here blocking and I can search here. Yes, the images are coming here. I can select anything else. Yes, like related to block images. Yes, blocking images. And like that, if you have photos or video footages or illustration, anything else, you can share here. Yes, share work here and start earning. Join Shutterstock global community of computer contributors and earn money doing what you love. Yes, before that you have to sign up and log in and get started here. Join the community. Yes, join the community and start selling in seconds. Yes, you have to give here full name, display name like that, address, password, and then you have to click on this radio button and click on next. Yes, please verify here your email account. Yes, you have to verify, and after the send email link, you can verify here. Please check here and verify your email address. Yes, verified. Yes, thanks, your email has been verified. Click next and to the go to the next step. Fill up the form. Please enter your address here and some details, countries, addresses and city, postal code, like that. Some details are here. You have to fill up and click this radio button and go on next. And here you can upload your images. You will come to the community. We can't wait to see your best work. Yes, upload here. Yes, if you want upload, drag and drop. Here is the section. You can click on it and read this information to upload. Yes, there are some, you can upload photos, illustration, videos and like that. And what are the things, learn about common rejections. Yes, are here and read and click on got it and upload your files. Yes, here is the file is uploading here and wait and click next. After uploaded, click on and you have to add some more details. Yes, about your product you have to give some details, image type and usage, description about the pictures or video clips, and a category 1, category 2, there are some information. And also you have to find keywords as well. Yes, there are something. If you want, you can select here and type here, both can do. And if you want to select and use submit button. Yes, after that you have to add some details and submit your work for review. Yes, after reviewing they will approve for publish your photos or videos, anything else. Yes, start adding details, and submit your work. After complete all of thing, you can submit your work, and yes, you have done successfully. Great job on your first submission. Yes, close. Just finished. That's all. It is a finished one. If you want to move some you can submit more thing. Otherwise, you can close. That's all. Work and make money as a Shutterstock. Good luck.